Hi, so I've got a few things to cover in this video. First of all, I have a brand new course coming out next week called Visual Therapy, which is all about making satisfying animations in Blender. I assume you've probably seen those social media posts where the videos go viral and it's something really satisfying that's been sort of animated or simulated in Blender. I actually used to have a channel where I posted stuff like that for a while, just as little experiments, and a lot of those videos went very viral. Some of them got millions of views on YouTube. So if you'd like to learn how to make stuff like that, you can actually get the course 50% off while it's in pre-sale. So I'll talk more about that in a second, but the course is going to have several tutorials in the first module, and then there'll also be 3 additional modules that will be added for free in the future. So you're going to get lots of tutorials covered in this one. I've been working on it for a while and I'm really excited to show you what I've been working on with that. So like I said, you can get it half price while the pre-sale is on. And that's part of the July mega sale that I have on for the next few weeks. I'm going to have a sale on all of my courses on Gumroad. If you use the code QUICK50 at checkout, you can get 50% off all of the standalone courses. Or if you want to buy one of the bundle deals that contain 2 courses, you can use the code 2 for 1 and you'll essentially get 2 courses for slightly less than the price of 1. I have 6 different courses on my Gumroad page at the moment. There's the interior and exterior masterclasses, which are sort of intermediate to advanced video series where I don't necessarily expect you to make what I'm making. It's more a demonstration of my workflow. So I show you the entire scene from start to finish, how I make interior and exterior renders in Blender. I have the Essential Topology Guide, which is my guide how to make good models with nice topology in Blender. And there's the Essential Material Guide, which is the same thing, but for making really nice procedural materials in Blender. And basically just everything I think you should know about using the shader system in Blender. And finally, there's tiny spaces and isometric spaces. Tiny spaces is where we create these really interesting, cool worlds, but we shrink them down and put them into tiny containers. That's a new course, so it only has 1 module at the moment, but it will be getting at least another 3 modules added in the future. And there's isometric spaces, which is where we make animations kind of in the style of those retro isometric graphics. That has 3 modules at the moment, and there's another one due to come out in the next few days. So now's a really good time to pick up that course. The reason that I'm running this sale right now is because I'm trying to generate some more money that I can reinvest back into the channel. I want to cover the Blender conference, which is going to be on later on in the year, and there's all sorts of different Blender news that always comes out of that. So that gives me a lot of content that I can give to you guys and keep you in the loop. And there's also equipment upgrades that I want so I can make better videos and better animations to put on this channel. So if you'd like to grab any of those deals, use QUICK50 on any of the standalone courses or use 241 on any of the bundle deals. The QUICK50 code will work as long as the new course is in pre-sale. I think I'll be taking it off the offer once it actually goes live. So if you want to get that course for 50%, I would suggest you buy it now before it comes out.